You are listening to an episode of The Faithful Sinners. Welcome, Faithful Sinners. My name is Timothy Baker, and today I want to address a few questions that I have been getting lately from some people that I was actually surprised to get some questions from. And the question all relates to, Tim, how in the world are you promoting sin as being positive? Well, let me remind you what sin really means to a faithful sinner. It's share, inspire, and navigate. And when you embrace the power of sharing, inspiring, and navigating with how you manage your own life, your family, or your workspace, things can be empowered in positive ways or in negative ways. It's all about how you choose to sin. So hopefully that provides a little more clarification as to how sin is really a positive opportunity for us to build our communities, strengthen our families, and grow ourselves individually. And more importantly, help us all to sin better together. Thank you for listening to this episode of The Faithful Sinners. Make sure to follow us and like us on your favorite podcast or social media site, and also check us out at thefaithfulsinners.com.